DJJ kept them last night?
Yeah.
They did? Okay. All right, and so it's just and your 3 children that live here, right?
Yeah.
They do? Okay.
Is there anybody home right now?
Only the kids.
Only the
Is
kids.
it just the 3 of them right now?
Yeah. Am I going to jail?
Yeah, that's why we're gonna walk this way, and I want to get you out of
What?
the kids. Hey, come on. Come on.
Why am I going to jail?
So I'm gonna explain that here in a minute. All right. If we're gonna get out of sight of your kids, I'm gonna give you that respect. All right.
Can I at least have my daughter bring me my phone so that way I can call somebody?
We'll get anything you need.
All
What am I
right.
going to jail for?
You're gonna go to jail on 4 counts, child abuse. Okay, and I'm gonna explain it.
I
all.
was cleaning last night. I literally was.
Well,
Can I get shoes at least?
We'll get everything for you.
we'll get everything. Okay.
Nothing too close on it.
212 on it. That's 212.
We're gonna have a
Whiskey,
whiskey, Armstrong, good.
Shoot me 10:15.
56.
That's absolutely 10:15. That's it back.
All right. So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's 4 counts of felony child abuse. Okay. 1, as a mother, you're supposed to provide adequate
I was cleaning the house. You guys.
care for your children. I don't think you've met that level based on our observations yesterday. It's just the culmination of everything. I feel
literally
like you're
was.
kind
I
of culpable
promise.
and negligent.
No,
in
can
doing
you
that,
please
okay?
listen for me a minute?
Is there any shoes that you want or need?
Yeah, can you ask my niece and nephew to get me my flip flops?
Well, I don't want them to see this, okay? So,
Can
I
I
had a
use
bad day yesterday. I don't want to know now, okay?
I literally have a kid cancer and I literally have been honest so far inside.
All right, well, I'm going up my observation, okay?
I'm not being serious. Well, Brian
I don't know what
Can you get your mom's flip flops real quick?
my investigation based on my observations yesterday, okay?
Call away money.
Say whatever.
It's,
Call away money. She literally
Just
took
the-
Thank you. Please. And then maybe all of your things in her. I'm being serious. Call away money.
I do believe you're going to want to improve your situation, and I hope you do.
I literally was. I actually was cleaning the day. I actually had.
Well, Amanda, we've
start.
been here several times. Okay, it has never. You can say you're clean now, but I've never seen any
have
improvement to
been.
this property.
All right, but
And it's basically the totality of his investigation and our investigation we conducted. Okay, it's not just one day or any particular day or any particular thing.
Please, can you please get my cell phone so at least I can have it when I get out?
Okay, do you want to get? Is there a wallet that they can grab for you too?
My ID's in my wallet. Everything's in my wallet.
Okay, I can get your wallet and your
And my
phone.
phone. That's it. Everything's in my phone.
Do you want just your phone then, or do you want your wallet too?
I just want my phone.
You can get her phone too. I'll come back in a second and talk to you, okay?
so you're going to come with me. Is there any other adults in the house? No. All right.
That's why I actually called my boyfriend.